so much for the interview today. Can you just introduce a little bit about yourself?
Hi Rosie, my name is Miklos Ringbauer and I'm a CPA.
For people who are watching this video, they're just wondering about why you end up with being a CPA, and then would like to know what you learned during the process to be a CPA right now. So at the very beginning, when you went to college, why did you pick the accounting or economic major?
So when I went to school, my Accounting 101 instructor wanted me to become a CPA, but I absolutely didn't like debits and credits and I got lost at the T accounts. True story. But at the end of the semester, she said, I want you to be a CPA. They had a different program and do all the classes and everything else. And they wanted to give me scholarship. I said, no way, because debits and credits are just too difficult to handle. So I chose to be an economist instead of that. When I finished school, I was working in industry, in finance and some of the internal accounting activities, but I never considered accounting as a profession or as a career, so I can consider myself an accidental CPA. But the best accident that ever happened in my life, because I love it day in and day out, and I was very sad that I did not listen to my professor, because professors are the ones, or your faculty members or instructors are the ones who sees you and knows you a little bit as they spend time with you. So I didn't listen, and it took me 12 plus years to realize that accounting is my true passion and makes me happy every day when I wake up and figuring out problems and solving them and giving future opportunities for people in terms of like they don't have to shut down their businesses or they have some tax matter issues that we can help them to resolve and they can have less stress in their lives.
So 12 years, you're not doing accounting and you feel that, oh, I wish to do accounting earlier. So in those 12 years, what did you do?
So with the very first period of time, I was working in financial services towards like money management type of activities. And then I turned into one of the Fortune 100 companies. I was in an internal accounting department, but one of the specialized segments of incentive compensation type of activities. And accruals and all of those fun stuff, everything that comes to accounting, we were handling as a result. But I do have to say that 12 years gave me the ability to think differently and gave me skill sets and tools that I would never have had should I have studied as an accountant. Now, I do not recommend everybody to go through the same experience, but those 12 years were not lost. Those were actually unique skill sets and unique opportunities that I managed to pick up and advance in my career as a result.
Skill set, can you say more details about what skill set that you obtained in those 12 years?
The financial aspects on how people are running businesses and looking at not the pure accounting, but more as an operational / management / how the financial activities of a company happens. Like from money management side, understanding financial statements, looking at differently how publicly traded companies were operating and so forth. So those unique aspects are now great advantages, and the way I'm able to explain things to our clients, I no longer speak accountant as a result.